To create a Start Here folder module, click on Content on the navigation bar, and then scroll down and click on Module on the left side of the menu bar. Type in Start Here and return. Move the folder to the top so it is the first module folder by clicking on the lined icon to the left of Start Here and drag to the top under Contents. To create a Getting Started HTML page, create the file within the Start Here folder module on the Content section. Make sure the Start Here module is open and click on the down arrow to the right of New and then select Create a File. You would want to call the document something like Getting Started. Information that should be included on this page may include different instructions on how to get started, an introduction to the purpose of the course, and a variety of other things that your students would need to know. Once you're done entering in that information, click Save and Close.